The Divoom Ditoo is a remarkable blend of retro charm and modern technology, offering much more than a typical Bluetooth speaker. From the moment I first encountered this device, it was clear that it was designed to be a centerpiece of fun and functionality for any desk or room. Its compact size and nostalgic design, reminiscent of old mechanical keyboards and pixelated monitors, immediately capture attention. The build quality feels solid and well-crafted, with a pleasing weight that suggests durability without feeling bulky. The green color variant I reviewed adds a fresh and lively touch to its retro aesthetic. One of the most striking features of the Divoom Ditoo is its 16 by 16 pixel LED display. This pixel art screen is not just decorative, but highly customizable. Through the dedicated Divoom app, users can create their own pixel art, animations, and scrolling text messages, or choose from an extensive library of pre-made designs. This level of personalization is a standout feature that makes the device much more than a speaker. It becomes a dynamic piece of digital art that can reflect your mood, display notifications, or simply entertain with colorful visuals. The app itself is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to explore the various creative options. It also supports additional functions such as setting alarms, checking the weather, and even playing simple retro games like Pixel Racer, Snake, and Magic 8 Ball. These games, though basic, add a playful element that enhances the overall experience and makes the Divoom Ditoo a delightful gadget to interact with beyond just audio playback. Speaking of audio, the Divoom Ditoo delivers impressive sound quality for its size. Equipped with 10-watt high-performance drivers and a DSP bass boost mode, it produces clear, distortion-free sound even at higher volumes. The bass is notably robust for a device of this scale, and the overall audio balance is well maintained, making it suitable for casual listening, background music, or small gatherings. Bluetooth connectivity is seamless, supporting a range of devices including personal computers and smartphones, with a stable connection range of up to 10 meters. Battery life is another strong point, with the device offering up to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Charging takes around 4 hours, which is reasonable given the battery capacity of 5,000 mAh. The Divoom Ditoo is truly portable, allowing you to move it around your home or office without worrying about constant power access. However, one aspect to note is that the device includes a microphone that remains active while the speaker is on. This feature enables voice visualizations and memo functions, but raises privacy considerations since there is no manual switch to disable the mic. The multifunctionality of the Divoom Ditoo extends to its role as a smart alarm clock and planner. Users can program alarms with custom pixel art images, set reminders, and use the calendar feature, which integrates well with the app. The weather display, although linked to your phone via Bluetooth, sometimes shows temperature readings that differ from your phone's own sensor, which is a minor inconsistency that could be improved in future app updates. While the pixel art display is charming, it is limited to 16 by 16 pixels, which means that images with higher resolution available in the app cannot be used directly. This limitation means that users primarily interested in pixel art might wish for a higher resolution display. Despite this, the existing pixel art options and the ability to create custom designs offer plenty of creative freedom. The Divoom Ditoo also includes a small collection of retro-style games that are enjoyable and add to its entertainment value. The controls, while limited by the device's size, are responsive and intuitive once you get accustomed to them. The device's buttons are mechanical and backlit, adding to the retro feel and making interaction satisfying. In terms of connectivity, the Divoom Ditoo supports Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring a reliable wireless connection. It also includes a USB 2.0 port for charging and potential firmware updates. The device is designed primarily for indoor use and is not waterproof, so care should be taken to avoid exposure to moisture. Overall, the Divoom Ditoo is a unique and versatile gadget that stands out in the crowded market of Bluetooth speakers. It combines a nostalgic aesthetic with modern features, offering a multifunctional device that entertains, decorates, and performs well as an audio player. Its customization options and interactive features make it a perfect gift for tech enthusiasts, retro gaming fans, or anyone looking to add a playful yet practical device to their workspace. There are some areas for improvement, such as expanding app features, adding more clock and weather display options, and addressing privacy concerns related to the always-on microphone. However, these do not overshadow the overall positive experience the device provides. In conclusion, the Divoom Ditoo is highly recommended for those who appreciate a blend of style, creativity, and functionality in a compact form. It is more than just a speaker, it is a conversation piece, a creative outlet, and a source of entertainment. If you enjoy gadgets that bring a bit of joy and personality to your daily routine, this device is an excellent choice. For those interested, the product link is provided in the description to support the channel. If you own this device, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.